几点收工啊？
哇，苦作。 Okay, my name is Superstar Celebrity Kurt Tay, Kurdistan Kurdish like the WWE 24/7 champion. Okay, so my neighbor, okay, the house beside my house, okay, they do the renovation. Okay, it's fucking noisy. Okay, as you can see, I do the video. The noise is so noisy. Okay, I'm working night shift. Okay. And working night shift, okay, they never spare a dot, okay, for people who work night shift during the daytime, in the morning need to sleep, okay. It's so noisy until I cannot sleep. I have to go outside to go to the void desk to find a void desk to sleep. Oh, it's true, it's real, okay. Your house is fucking new, okay. I mean, look at your house, the floor, the wall, everything is so new, okay. Then they go waste money to go and do what renovation, okay? This is called too much money, don't know how to spend, okay? There are many people who work night shift, okay? People who work night shift, morning, daytime, need to sleep, okay? So noisy, how to expect me to sleep, okay? And it's so noisy that, you know, it will affect my baby, the hearing, that my parents have to bring up my baby outside also. Oh, it's true, it's real, man. So now I gotta go out to find a void desk to sleep because it's fucking noisy. Okay， 我的邻居在装修，非常的吵，太吵了，吵到我没有办法睡觉。OK， 没有想到那种做晚班的人，白天是需要睡觉的。OK， 吵到要死，怎么睡？啊，非常的吵。Too noisy。他们的家地上非常的美，墙壁非常的漂亮。OK， 可是他们现浪费钱去做什么装修，吵死人，钱太多不懂怎么花，这个就叫钱太多不懂怎么花，乱花。现在呢，我得去外面去找 void deck 来睡觉，不然我在家里没有办法睡觉，因为太吵了。OK， 我不要在 home I cannot sleep too noisy， 太吵了，唉。然后我的 baby 呢，我的 parents 也是带我的 baby 出去，不能那个耳朵这样吵会影响到他的听觉，唉，非常的假的。 And some more, this one is not one day can finish one. They're going to do for how long, man? Maybe for what? 1 month. Then 1 month and how? Every day to go out to sleep. 每天1个月，我看到出去找外面睡觉。西北假了。